We have two ways to start this business. You can create new pages from scratch as we saw in our previous video, or you can buy our already invited pages. There is some steps you need to know if you want to set up an old page. And in this video, you will learn how to deal with old pages to avoid any mistakes that will lead you to lose money or time. Let's go to our screen and explain more. Here a page, an already invited page. I bought it like this. You can see 12 followers on this page and they are working on the baby's niche. You can see the engagement too, it was not a big thing. I don't recommend the baby's niche. Facebook doesn't pay very well in this niche. Now we will prepare this page to work on it, our niche, the recipes. I will show you how to verify your page when you buy it. First thing you do is to verify the admins on the page. You can see if you have some admins you don't know, you need to delete them. People with tasks and access, there is no threats on those profile because they can't remove admins or add admins. Next thing to verify is page recommendation. You should have a green page and the page should be recommended, and you'll find it green. The page statue is here. It should be green too, with no violations. Restricted monetization. As we can see, we have a monetization restrictions here. We will see details. We still have the invitation here, get started. It's not activated yet. We will go to the policy issues to see what's happening with this page. There is a restriction. We will see what is this in the monetization tools. And here the subscriptions is restricted. There is no problem if you want to work on this page, on the bonus. Even you have a restriction on the subscriptions. You can see that the stars are green. The branded content is green also. The bonus is, we have it here and it's not activated yet. So let's start working on this page and prepare it for our niche. We will go to Google. We will search for a tool that we use, viewfeed, viewfeed2.com. We click here to start. It will ask us for an extension. Install a Chrome extension. You need to work on a Google Chrome browser. We'll send you on Facebook to download the extension. We download the extension from here. After that, we go to our browser settings on extensions. We need to enable the developer mode. After that, we drag our extension. Now it is working, and we go back to the main dashboard, viewfeed. Now, after deleting all the posts in our page, this is our page with no posts in it. You can see 12 followers. We will go to page settings to change our page name, page setup, name. We'll go back to ChatGPT and select one of the names they give us. I will choose Recipe Lab. We'll go back to Facebook, edit, we'll change recipe name. After changing this name, you won't be able to change it for 60 days, so be careful. Review changes, we'll save. We'll ask for our password. Done. Now the name is changed. We'll go to our page. We will change the details of our page, starting with the website. We'll put our page name, Recipe Lab, save it. We will change the category to cooking and kitchen. Save it. If there is an address here for a country, you change it to the US country or the country you want to work on. Now it's time to change our profile picture. We will go to Audiogram again. We'll look for pictures that we already generate yesterday. This is our pages. We already used this one. Now we will use this one. Download the page. We'll go back to Facebook. Choose a profile picture. Upload one. Upload. Save. Or go to Canva to change our cover photo. File, Facebook cover. We will look in templates, recipe. We will use this one. We'll put our page name. Delete this one. Or download this page. Go back to Facebook. Edit, upload our picture. Now it's added. I will save the changes. Our page is ready for work. This is all in this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you.